future is intelligent. Agentic AI promises to revolutionize industries with its autonomous capabilities, learning and adapting independently. But how do we integrate this immense power with robust Java development? This is the core challenge we face today. For years, Java developers have built the backbone of countless systems. Yet, traditional methods often lead to complex problems. We face data overload, inefficient processes, and the constant demand for smarter, more adaptive solutions. The desire for innovation pushed us to look beyond. Could agentic AI be the game changer we desperately needed? Initial curiosity sparked exploration. We began to envision a world where Java applications could truly think and act. However, the path was not without its obstacles. Integrating agentic AI with existing Java systems presented significant technical roadblocks. Compatibility issues, steep learning curves, and the sheer complexity of new paradigms led to moments of frustration and failed attempts. Skepticism arose. Could this new approach truly deliver, or was it just another fleeting trend? We needed innovative solutions. Then a shift. New frameworks, tools, and methodologies were discovered, bridging the gap between Java's robustness and agentic AI's intelligence. We achieved successful small-scale implementations, witnessing agents perform tasks autonomously within a Java environment. This was the breakthrough. We were now ready to build a future with agentic Java, step by meticulous step. Our journey began with setting up the development environment, carefully configuring the necessary AI libraries. Next, we designed intelligent agents, meticulously defining their roles, behaviors, and interactions within the system. Implementing agent communication protocols was crucial, ensuring seamless data exchange within Java applications. We focused on enabling AI agents to process data and make decisions in real time, enhancing application responsiveness. Rigorous testing and debugging were essential to refine agent behavior and ensure system stability and reliability. Finally, deploying Java applications with embedded agentic AI marked a significant milestone in our development journey. The applications were diverse, from smart automation in manufacturing to predictive analytics in finance. Intelligent user interfaces now adapt to individual needs, providing personalized experiences like never before. We visualized the seamless flow of information and control between Java components and their intelligent AI agents. The results were clear: significant scalability and efficiency gains, transforming how we approach complex problems. The grand reveal: a fully functional, powerful Java application, now driven by the intelligence of agentic AI. Witness the seamless interaction between human users and intelligent agents, working in perfect harmony. Complex problems are now solved effortlessly, demonstrating the transformative impact of this integration. The benefits are undeniable: increased productivity, enhanced intelligence, and innovative solutions across all sectors. This is just the beginning. The future of Java and agentic AI holds endless possibilities and advancements. We encourage you to explore, learn, and contribute to this rapidly evolving field. Your innovations will shape tomorrow. Thank you for watching our journey into agentic Java. Please like and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge tech.